2 News at 11.
Good evening on a Friday night. Thanks for joining us. I'm Lauren Maloney. The National Weather Service says it was a preliminary tornado that swept through Middlebury this afternoon. They had personnel on the ground within hours on Painter Road, where 2 people were actually hurt. Local 22's Mike Hoey was there as well, and he joins us now live from the newsroom with an update. Mike?
Well, Lauren, the National Weather Service has classified that wind event in Middlebury as an EF1 tornado with preliminary status, since it may be changed and downgraded from that after a further review. Now, an EF1 is fairly weak as tornadoes go, but still strong enough to leave plenty of damage in its wake.
I was lucky. I had just talked about with one of my friends yesterday, saying, boy, I'm glad I don't live in the South to go through these tornadoes, and here I am today, went through another one.
A few minutes before 2 Friday afternoon, MALZAC was watching TV when winds whipped up that the National Weather Service has estimated at up to 110 miles per hour.
I see my trees out front started leaning pretty bad. Then I watched that great big pine tree go down. Then I heard a bang just before that.
That bang was the outer pane of ERNEST's picture window being smashed by a barrel that had been out behind the garage, more than 50 yards away.
That was all right, but the cat was kind of laying right there beside of me, and man, he sensed that thunderous noise first, and bang, he was gone down cellar before I knew it. I haven't seen him since.
2 people who live across the road and 1 house down weren't as fortunate. They were hurt, although they're now out of the hospital. Their garage and car were destroyed. Their home is still standing, but it's uninhabitable. ERNEST's house and several more in the vicinity are in the dark. The preliminary tornado touched down for about a mile. At its widest point, the winds created a path 75 yards across.
They took out probably 6 or 8 utility poles down through here and several different trees in this isolated area right through here. But the oddity is the gentleman behind here, his house is unscathed. It's less than, a couple thousand feet away.
Now, Lauren, after this harrowing situation, a portion of Painter Road is still closed to traffic even now. Crews are still working to clear downed trees and power lines from the area. Live in the newsroom tonight, Mike Hoey, Local 22 News.
Mike, there was damage elsewhere too. A utility pole in Jericho caught on fire because of a failed insulator this afternoon. Fortunately,